Imagine waking up each morning feeling stronger, more energized, and ready to take on the day, without the constant worry of losing muscle as you age. Today, we're diving into a topic that could truly improve your life. Get ready to say goodbye to muscle loss with these 7 incredible foods that help fight sarcopenia. If you've noticed your muscles weakening over time, or you're simply looking for natural ways to boost your strength and vitality, keep watching. These foods could change how you feel and function every single day. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. By doing so, you stay updated with our latest health and fitness tips and show your commitment to taking care of your well-being. Your support motivates us to continue providing top-notch advice for a healthier and stronger life. We'll walk through each food one by one, starting at number 7 and counting down to the most powerful. You'll get simple, practical tips on how to add them to your daily diet. Whether you're just getting started with healthy eating or you're looking to upgrade your meals, you're in the right place. Let's begin your journey to stronger muscles, starting now. At number 7, we have quinoa, a small grain with big benefits. Used for centuries, quinoa is packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, proving that good things really do come in small packages. What makes quinoa so special? It contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein that supports muscle repair and growth. Plus, its high fiber content helps you feel fuller for longer. Great for managing your weight while building strength. With its mild, nutty flavor and fluffy texture, quinoa fits easily into your meals. You can toss it in salads, mix it into soups, or use it as a rice replacement. Adding quinoa to your routine gives your muscles the nutrients they need to stay strong and resilient. Next up is Greek yogurt, rich, creamy, and full of muscle-friendly nutrients. What sets it apart from regular yogurt is how it's made. It's strained to remove excess whey, which results in a thicker texture and more concentrated protein. That protein supports muscle repair and growth, especially after physical activity, or even just throughout your daily movement. Greek yogurt also delivers calcium for stronger bones and probiotics that support digestion, helping your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. You can enjoy it plain, mix it with fresh fruit, or add a drizzle of honey for sweetness. Either way, it's a delicious way to fuel your muscles all day long. At number 5 is salmon, not just tasty, but one of the best foods you can eat for muscle health. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and improve muscle recovery after workouts. When your muscles recover faster, you maintain strength and energy more easily. Salmon also provides high-quality protein, along with vitamins B12 and D, and minerals like selenium, all crucial for maintaining a strong, vibrant body. Whether it's baked, grilled, or steamed, adding salmon to your meals is a flavorful way to keep your muscles energized and healthy. Coming in at number 4, eggs, one of nature's best sources of protein. Each egg is packed with high-quality amino acids that support muscle repair and development. But that's not all. Eggs also provide vitamin D for bone health, B12 for energy production, and minerals like selenium and choline to support your body's recovery systems. And the best part? They're incredibly versatile. Enjoy them boiled, scrambled, poached, or whipped into an omelet. Eggs are a simple, affordable way to feed your muscles any time of day. Number 3 is spinach, a leafy green loaded with muscle-friendly nutrients. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like magnesium and iron, all important for muscle function and endurance. But spinach doesn't stop there. Its antioxidants help protect muscle cells from damage, while the fiber supports digestion, allowing better nutrient absorption. You can toss it in salads, blend it into smoothies, or sauté it as a side dish. Whichever way you prefer, spinach supports strong, well-functioning muscles. At number 2, we have almonds, small nuts with serious muscle power. They're packed with plant-based protein to help repair muscle tissue, plus healthy fats that support overall energy and recovery. Almonds are also loaded with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your muscles from oxidative damage. And let's not forget magnesium, which helps with muscle contraction and relaxation. Just a handful of almonds a day can reduce inflammation, improve energy, and speed up recovery, making them a smart snack choice for muscle support. And at number 1, chicken breast. It's no surprise that this lean protein is a favorite among fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious eaters. Chicken breast is packed with high-quality protein and contains all the essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild and maintain muscle. It's low in fat and high in nutrients, making it perfect for maintaining a lean, strong physique. It also delivers important B vitamins, which support energy production and a healthy metabolism. Whether grilled, baked, or sautéed, adding chicken breast to your meals helps keep your muscles strong, nourished, and ready for anything. Thanks for spending time with us and learning about these powerful, muscle-boosting foods. We hope this information inspires you to take simple steps toward better muscle health, starting today. Remember, progress doesn't happen overnight, but the consistent small choices you make each day lead to big results over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone you care about, and hit that subscribe button for more valuable health content. Your support keeps us going and helps us bring you more life-changing tips. Stay strong, stay consistent, and we'll see you in the next video.